What's up, everybody? Welcome to the programming show. And today I'm going to be showing you variables in Python. So whether you're on Mac or Windows or Linux, open up a terminal and type in Python. And if you have Python installed, what you'll see is something like this. If you don't have Python installed, jump on YouTube and watch my video or someone else's and get that set up. And now that we've got Python installed, the first thing we need to understand is what is a variable. A variable is just like you might have learned in math class, x. X equals to 10, x equals to my name. A variable just stores a value. You can think of it as a box that we put something in. So we're going to create our first variable. We'll call it x equals to 12. So what I just did is I assigned the value of 12 to the variable. Now if I type x, I get x back. I can also assign to the variable words, or as it's called, a string, where a string is just a sequence of letters or characters, right? So now I type A and I get A back. But you could see is we can't add x and A because x is an integer, right? Where integer means whole number values, you're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the type of variable that we have, and str is short for string. So we have x equal to 12, and if we set y equal to 20, now we could do x plus y. And Python also has this very useful feature, which is type. So if we do type x, we'll get int. And if we do type A, we'll get string. And this is useful if you're working on some code that someone else wrote, or you're dealing with a API that you're manipulating an object that you don't know what type it is. Now, what is an object? An object is an instance of a certain type of thing or a class. So in this case, my x is an integer object. So it's just an integer thing, right? Now, classes, right? You can think of classes as biological classes. They generally refer to types of things. So in the case of you could a human, right? You could say a human is, well, you don't want to say a human is an object, but you can say a human is an instance. A specific person is a instance of the human class.